Dead left no worth your life. The fastest way to lose your life today. Fighting over dead left. Property, land, money, things that can't hug you back or heal your heart. Families have been torn apart. Siblings become strangers. Cousins turn enemies. All because of what the dead left behind. Let's be real. If you have moved overseas, your mission is different now. Build your legacy where you are at. Don't fly back home to fight over things you did a sweat for, especially when some of your own family back home are still trying to find their footing. The dead left should be handled with wisdom, fairness, and peace, not blood, court, and chaos. Generational curse don't always look like poverty. Sometimes they look like constant family feuds. So let's break the cycle. Your life is worth more than land lines and title deeds. Secure your peace. Chase your dreams. Build something new that your children won't have to fight over when you are gone. Dead left no worth your life. Would you rather inherit war or leave behind wisdom? Choose peace. Choose family. Let this message go viral before another family is destroyed.